Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an upper control arm on a Ford F-150. First, ensure your workspace is safe and you have all the right tools. This includes a jack stands, a lug wrench, various sockets, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands to support the vehicle securely. We will go through each step carefully, making this a straightforward repair for you to tackle at home. To begin, safely lift the front of your truck using a floor jack and secure it firmly with two jack stands. Next, remove the front wheel to gain clear access to the suspension components. You will then need to disconnect the upper ball joint from the steering knuckle. This often requires removing a cotter pin and castle nut, then using a ball joint separator tool. Finally, locate and remove the two main bolts holding the control arm to the frame. With the ball joint disconnected and the frame bolts removed, you can now carefully extract the old upper control arm from its mounting points. Take note of its orientation for easier installation of the new part. Next, position the new upper control arm into place, aligning the bolt holes with the frame mounts. Insert the two main bolts, but do not fully tighten them yet. Ensure the new arm fits snugly before proceeding. Now, reconnect the upper ball joint to the steering knuckle, securing it with the castle nut and a new cotter pin. Once everything is in place, it is crucial to torque all bolts to the manufacturer's specified values. This ensures safety and proper function. Reinstall the wheel, lower the vehicle, and remember that a professional wheel alignment is absolutely necessary after this repair to maintain proper steering and tire wear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.